Living my life like it's golden. Living my life like it's golden. Living my life like it's golden. Part 2. We take Cancun. It's your girl Jakari Arian. It's your girl Jakari Arian. I am back with another video. Period. She's supposed to be right here, Mom. Right now we are booking our excursion for Sunday because we going on a boat, baby. The wedding is later on today at 5, but they don't want us recording it, so I'm not going to record the wedding, so you guys won't be able to see what happens. But yeah, I got my little swimmer suit on, you know. Oh, my mommy. Say hi, Mommy. I'm hot too. I'm gonna kick my feet in it. No. Can't get the lace messed up. Let me show y'all my shades though. Hold on. Hold on. It's the shades for me. Alright then.com. Period. For sure. You know. You know. You know. You know. Period. Just checking myself up. Okay. I am super fine.
Like my suit's so cute. It's almost like I got on the shoulder.
Is it wholesome? Okay, y'all. Mama. Get it from my mama. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and take care of this stuff, and I'll be back to y'all when we're about the pool, okay?
Did you register?
Yeah.
Hey! Come on, so. Don't rush. Don't rush. Did I like this? Don't rush.
We've been out here enjoying the pool and the view. I've been in the water. Just kicking it. We did some Zumba earlier, so it was fun. Just chilling before the wedding. Period. I got my mama hat on. Like, I'm cool. Because I am cool. Period. Cool cat. Hold on. I think it's like supposed to go down. Because like this one. I don't know. Let me try retighten it. Retighten it. That's probably the problem. Oh, I don't even need to. Oh, there we go. Now I got it on right. Wow. I was just being lazy when I put it on, obviously. And yes, honey. Yes. We're alive. But I'm gonna come back later. I just wanted to come in and check in with y'all, let y'all know we're just chilling by the pool. Me and my familia. So the wedding later. And yeah, I'm gonna come back when it's time to get ready. So right now I'm running late because my family always fucking leaves me. Annoying, but I am dressed. I'm ready. I got my heels in my hand because we're gonna be in the sand. But for the wedding, I can't record because they do want their wedding to be private, it to be a moment. So I'll probably record when we get to the reception, even though my phone's like about to die. I need some more lipstick. But yeah, it's about to get a little loud over here, so I'm gonna make it over there, and I will talk to y'all when I actually make it, okay? Alright, bye guys.
Rich, 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 you a tool boy. perfect harmony. This is why I love you. Ooh, this is why I love you. Because you love me. You love me. This is why I love you. I want you. I need you. It's all in store. It's all yours. Baby, I just wanna play. Take my breath away. Do you feel me? I know you do. 'Cause I know you do. I can't get enough with you.
Rest in peace in the parking lot. Family so big, can't even fit in the parking spot. You ain't talking about money, then what you talking about? Gangsta moving silent, and I don't talk loud. I don't say a word, I don't say a word. Walk away from me, I thought I was finished.
It's the next day though, okay? It's gonna be all of us.
For real, we all gonna be looking
Oh,
wet.
Brie, you had water the whole time, and you've been
sure
seeing
did.
me complain about a damn
Not
water
damn
bottle.
water either.
Ghetto as hell.
What a swamp. Are these one or are these cool?
Too late.
Drink up all my water.
I'm not, but I do need some. Don't be watching me.
He's not about to play drink up all my water.
Only one person can be in the next. And if you want to do snorkeling, please go inside the car. If you are not going to do
said-
snorkeling, you can stay here. That's the good with the dog.
Mama's staying right there. She ain't torturing today.
Yeah, he said two.
And the mask is mandatory.
So,
He said two could be right there. So y'all gonna need to talk to each other because this poor communication ain't great.
Who's going to do snorkeling?
I don't know. Todo gasolina.
Inside the cabin.
We're going snorkeling and we're going swimming with the dolphins. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm sorry. Y'all wanna go snorkeling or no? Oh, so yeah, we're going snorkeling then. If it's paid for, we're going snorkeling. Look, it's the walking on this moving ass boat for me. Ooh, yeah. I done got sick on the boat and threw up, you know.
People can get sunburned. Right here.
Go to sleep, kid. I got hair in my hair. I mean, I see it though. But yeah, I got sick on the boat because I drank too much tequila at the wedding and decided to drink more afterwards. But we just made it to this cute little island, and then after here, we're gonna go swimming with the dolphins. But it is so cute here. I'm gonna show y'all. Yeah, we are. We're on a little island. We about to go get go-karts. We out. We on the go-kart. Wah, 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 wah. We about to tour the city. Say hi, Bree. We out here. We out here. I'ma flip it and give y'all the real view. Hold on. Hold on. Come on, y'all. That's right. Come on. Skirt, skirt. You ain't with it. You just gotta hold on to him. Hold on to him. Skirt, skirt. What you just say? What is that? No, what is that? Oh, a car.
Oh, zoom, zoom. On 2 wheels.
We out here, y'all. Waiting for everybody to get a go-kart so we can be out of here. Hold on, where you get it from? Right there. Right there, so we can be out here. Going to get something to eat. Because that's the next stop, baby. Where for the go-kart? We need 2 more go-karts. She got a little hangover. See, I already threw it up, so the tequila not in my soul no more. I'm just getting seasick on the boat. She getting seasick tequila hangover. So, but I'm not drinking nothing until I get enough food. And I mean enough. Because Lord knows, I was turned yesterday. But it's okay. You know, they was talking about me today. They was like, you was all turned, you was talking all this and that. It's okay, because I'm finna get turned today, okay? When we get back on this boat. And I'm finna be the annoying cousin, yep. Yeah. Petty. Petty Betty. Hey. I thought you was a thug. Hold on. Hey. Go get it, black and blood. Hey. Go get it, black and blood. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when we actually make it to get food because we're still waiting. So he's driving crazy. We're on our way. We don't know off the day game. We're in second place. We got all the way up to fifth. Doing great. Okay. Wig off because I couldn't do it, and after we went snorkeling my wig was already coming off, so I took it off. Farmers Boot Camp Part 2. But now we are on the way home. I'm gonna show y'all my view though, because I'm chilling. Got some shade now. I'm super tan. I got a tan.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Got some good tans. I've been getting tan every day, period. And yeah, we just got done swimming with the dolphins, and it was definitely fun. I loved it. Definitely experience. I'll have to insert my pictures in here for y'all to see. But yeah, I think I'm about to just turn around so you can see the view and just cruise with me. Bye. This is the island we were just at, swimming with the dolphins, right there. And then that's the complete little island over here. And now we're just cruising. So beautiful out too. So beautiful. Look at them. So beautiful. people was back then again, you know. But we're also gonna meet up tonight and we're gonna hang out because it's our last day here for a majority of us. The rest of us will stay here a little longer, but for majority of us, this is the last day here, so we're gonna get lit tonight. We're going to do the last man standing, as in we about to get fucked up, but I ain't participating. I'm just gonna be there for the long run, hang out, have fun, because I'm sorry, I can't get on the plane with a heavy hangover, because that's just super uncomfortable, and the plane can't stop, it can't land, it can't do anything to help me. So at this point, it's just like, but I'm also about to eat my little shrimp that I wasn't able to eat. Well, this is my mama food. She has some red snapper. Taste that some fish. Not bad. But yeah, I just came on here to close out the vlog. Maybe I'll record a little bit of everything once everybody is lit of what's going on. But so far, this is it. I definitely enjoyed Mexico, Cancun, and this was a heavenly experience. I love traveling. I love feeling free. Oh, look at the moon. This one special person watches this, be looking at the moon. Hope you be looking at the moon with me. Be looking at the moon, baby. But yeah, y'all, this is pretty much it. So, as I always say, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below new videos you guys want to see. Whatever videos y'all want to see. And yeah. Period. I'm sorry that I'm not super like turnt right now, or have a lot of energy. I'm actually kind of tired from an excursion today and hungry. But yeah, with everything being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what videos you guys want to see next. And oh, don't forget to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell her cousin, to tell her sister, to tell her brother, to tell her mama, daddy, her grandma, grandpa, to subscribe and join the Cookie and Lion gang. Because if it's up, then it's stuck, and it's already up, so it's been stuck. And yeah, for this, I love you guys. Bye.
Stolen moments is all that we share. You got your family, and they try to resist. Okay,
Get it.
On your list, but no other man's gonna do.
Get it.
Easy being all alone. My friends try and tell me find a man of my own. But each time I try, I just break down and cry. 'Cause I'd rather be right than in blue. So I'm saving all my love for you. You used to tell me we'd run away together. Love gives you the right to be free. You said be patient, just wait a little longer. But that's just an old man. Okay. Just a few. Gonna get that old feeling when you walk through that door. But tonight is the night that I'm feeling alright. Maybe, maybe love like but I'm saving all my love. Yes, I'm saving
I just wanted to say, I put this on mute because I just wanted to come here and say that this experience, seeing them get married, seeing their friends, the people they surround themselves with, it was definitely a learning experience. And to be around family was just such an amazing and beautiful thing. It was well needed. It was a well needed trip for us to see each other. And I just can't wait until we meet again. You know?
Got the lighter. Hold on. Hold on.
I killed your ass. Who got a drink, y'all? Who got a drink? You?
Damn, I say it's a tie.
Looking for? Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I'm sweating.
It was right under your nose, huh? No?
I just like.
You hit it.
In the suitcase that he looked at 5 times.
The black top fooled me. It was on some black pants.
All right, who won?
I say
Looking so hard.
it's a tie.
her decision.
No, it's everybody's.
Oh, it's the vote.
Oh, I thought it was yours.
No, I just chose a song and said
Y'all all have to vote. Who's the better
Oh, who was the better one?
Niecy beat you, bro.
We all choose.
I voted no.
Right. I think he killed it.
Nigga, you need to drink too. Take this double shot just because you said. Take that double shot.
Take one with me, ho. Since we here, cheers,
So he's got 1, 2, 3. It's cooking right now. So when it turns to sour,